Stop. Put the sledgehammer down. Before you call that contractor for a pre-listing refresh, we need to talk about your equity. It is late April 2026 and the data is in. Alpharetta and Milton are seeing a 33% surge in inventory. For the first time in years, buyers have the choice paradox, and they are using it to be hypercritical. The number one question in DMs right now is, Irina, if I spend $50,000 on this kitchen, will I see $100,000 back at the closing table? Unfortunately, in this market, the answer is usually no. A renovation right now doesn't always add value. It protects it from a massive discount. Today, I'm sharing the 5 renovations that are actually hurting your home value in North Atlanta right now, plus the answers to the painting brick and pool debates. I'm Irina Averyanov, and let's save your investment. Number 1, converting your garage. Whether it's a gym, a playroom, or a home office, in North Atlanta, this is value killer. We are in a car-centric culture. In neighborhoods like Windward or many neighborhoods in Milton, a 2-car or 3-car garage is a baseline requirement, not a luxury. Instead of losing the garage, focus on future-proofing. With the Georgia 400 construction making commutes longer, buyers want a commute-proof home. So think about adding a high-speed EV charger in the garage. That will cost you about $1,500. Will instantly upgrade that signals to a 2026 buyer that your home is ready for the future. Don't take away the parking, add the power. Value killer number 2, the LVP disconnect in luxury estates. Number 2, luxury vinyl plank LVP in a 1 million plus home. I personally love LVP for basements, but if you are in Milton Estate, 2026 buyers expect refinished hardwoods and not LVP. Putting plastic floors in a luxury home creates quality disconnect. It makes buyers wonder, if they cut corners on the floors, where else did they chip? The roof? The HVAC? If you can't do the hardwoods right, just deep clean what you have. Consistency is better than a cheap upgrade. Value killer number 3, the mega closet versus the 4th bedroom. Number 3, sacrificing a bedroom for a massive primary closet. Well, I understand. We all want the dream closet, but North Atlanta is driven by school districts. It means that most families moving here are looking for that 4-bedroom Goldilocks house. When you drop your bedroom count from 4 to 3 to get a bigger closet, you've just eliminated 40% of your potential buyer pool. In a market with a 3.6 months of supply, you cannot afford to shrink your audience. Value killer number 4, over-personalized statement tile. Number 4, the trend trap. Bold cement tiles or gold veined black marble look great on Pinterest, but they set an expiration date on your appeal in a choice market. Buyers want a clean, transitional canvas. I get asked every day, should I paint my traditional red brick? And my advice, only if your strategic equity audit shows that the color is the primary reason your specific floor plan is losing to the neighbors. If you do it, it must be professional lime wash. A bad paint job on brick looks like a cover-up to a 2026 buyer. Value killer number 5, the incomplete kitchen only reno. Finally, the one-room wonder. Nothing makes an old house feel older than a brand new $80,000 kitchen sitting next to 20-year-old carpet and brass door handles from 2004. These actually creates visual friction. It is better to spend that budget spread out across essential refreshes like paint, lighting, and hardware throughout the whole house than to over-improve one space and leave the rest in the past. The lighting round, pools and ROI. Let's hit two big ones quickly. The pool paradox. If you are in Milton on an AG1 lot, a pool is expected. In an Alpharetta cluster home, it is a liability. Don't dig one right before listing. You will never recoup a $150,000 pool investment in a 3-month sales window. The ROI reality. If you spend $50,000 to fix a kitchen, you aren't doing it to make $100,000. You are doing it so your house doesn't sit for 60 days and eventually sell for $100,000 less than it's worth. Renovations in 2026 are about liquidity, not just profit. So before you pick up a hammer, you need plan. I am on Mission 50, helping 50 North Atlanta families navigate this inventory surge with data and strategy. Click the link below to book your strategic equity audit. We will look at your street, your data, and your 10-year wealth plan to see what's actually worth fixing. And don't forget to mark your calendar for May 17th. Our second annual Spring Family event is happening, and I would love to see you there. I'm Irina Averyanov, and I'll see you at your next move.